Okay, so we're getting one step closer to a brand new truck. I got the bad engine out. Here it is. It's a Dodge 3.9 VIN X, a Magnum engine, fuel injected. Holley high-rise intake manifold. This engine was built to actually outperform the Dodge 318, and I believe that one, we're done with the truck. We will be doing that. High compression pistons, 180 compression, fuel injected, Holley high-rise, sequential fuel injected as a matter of fact. They had Carroll Shelby come in and do a little of his magic to make this perform very well with lots of horsepower, and I drove it, and even when it wasn't running well, it did pick up and go pretty good. So we're going to take that engine, a new one, and put it in that truck. Pretty nice truck. Taking out the engine actually worked out quite good for me today. I was able to pull it completely over the top with the engine lift. I've had trouble doing that in the past before, but you really just need to fill it up with fluid. Hydraulic fluid, jack fluid, hydraulic jack fluid first, and then yeah, so even with the four-wheel drive truck up on ramps, we were able to get the engine out safely and over onto the engine stand. The important thing to note at this time is that this is how the engine should look when it goes back in. That's how far I should assemble it before putting it back in. I would like to get rid of the centrifugal fan clutch. I think I can do that with just a spacer. That's all from Rudie Racing for today. Thank you.